What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about organizing your beat folder so you can keep that workflow. It's very important to stay organized. If you're not naming your beats in a good way, they're going to get lost. You're just naming it like beat 1, beat 2, beat 3. That could work for some, but let me show you some tips to organize your stuff so you can get that sauce. All right, let's get right into it. So I have a vault folder, and this will have all of my years. All right, every year I create a new folder and call it whatever that year is, and then vault. So 2022 vault for this year. All right, and then each month I make a new folder inside that vault folder for each month. All right, it helps you stay organized. It may seem like a lot, but it becomes muscle memory really quick. All right, so if we go into August, for example, that's where all my projects will be saved. All right. And then I can also go into a beats folder, and that's where all my exported stuff will be. So this is like stems, tagged MP3, untagged, and then wave as well. Now let's look at a beat, all right? So if you look here, this is how I name my beats. And if you're sending your beats to artists, they're gonna really appreciate this as well. So the name of the beat, and then the BPM and the key. If I don't know the key, I don't put it in there. But for example, this one, couch locked, 80 BPM, G sharp minor, and then obviously if it's a collab with someone, you would put that there too. Send this to an artist and they get this track and it's laid out like this. It's gonna look professional, and they're already gonna know the BPM and key right off the bat, so they don't have to ask you. So just keep that in mind. That's pretty much it though, just some workflow organization tips. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.